A super exciting day, everybody. We are completely finished with our Obi Wan Kenobi Episode 3 lightsaber. All of the pieces have now been completely spray painted, clear coated, glued together, assembled, everything. It is perfect. I am very pleased with it. What I ended up doing with the top of the lightsaber is I took my airbrush gun with a blue, the same blue, well, I tried to match the closest blue that I could find that I had in my paints to match his lightsaber from Episode 3. But I took the blue, and with my airbrush gun, I got as close inside the nozzle as I could without the paint running, and I obviously just slowly pulled away as I sprayed the blue, and it ended up giving it this cool little blue glowing effect, as if there was a crystal in there glowing through the hole. So I was happy with it. I was nervous at first because everything was so close to being finished, but it ended up working out really well, and I really liked the effect that it gave it. The gold button ended up going in there without needing any glue. I did end up putting some glue in this button right here. Everything else ended up getting glue with the exception of the brass button on the side. But as far as everything else, it turned out super solid, super lightweight. It could easily be used for any sort of costume, any sort of cosplay. Literally anything Star Wars related, it would go great with. It's going to go personally with a collection of other lightsabers. I'm actually working on a Yoda lightsaber, which is going to be super exciting because it is much smaller, obviously. Smaller than everybody else, so his lightsaber naturally is also small. Fingers crossed that I continue on with the success that I've had so far. Thank you so much for everybody who has been watching so far. I hope that you continue watching because I hope to continue to pump out videos for you guys. As for me, I'm gonna go put this in a safe place before I break it.